Okay, so this is the third video about this engine. So, as you may notice, I have cut off the kick pedal. I cut also off the gear shifter, and I took off the cylinder block. So that's basically where we are as of now. Here you see where the gear shifter was cut off from. So the crankshaft assembly feels good, but we just need to change the bearings on each side. That's it. So here is the cylinder and the head. So the cylinder is in a good condition. I put the piston inside already, and here we go. You see the piston. It's 0.5 boring, and yeah, it looks great inside here. Put a little bit oil just to clean it up a little bit here. So that's it. That's it, guys. Oh, we don't have light in the back, of course, because the piston is there. Okay, so that's basically it. There is the head as you saw before, and we're coming back maybe with some more info and update. I'm gonna dismantle this whole engine. Thank you very much.